Everybody, so I'm back doing another recording. This recording is going to be about the types of energies, because I'm just going to try to go through this recording how I can with wording the sentences and everything. So this is about Enki, who is also Prometheus, and he freed Aset, Isis consciousness. Aset's and Isis's consciousness. He set her in a way, he set her consciousness free, and that is by more so tapping into the more masculine light source side of serpent wisdom, Enki, Prometheus. So he basically freed Aset, Isis's vision of what she was trapped in, as far as Metatron Cube, because there is an invisible Metatron's cube on top of the planet Saturn, and what it's doing is it's projecting a certain kind of cosmic light to the moon, and that is what's encasing this Earth, or if you want to say imprisoning the light source of this Earth, so that specific light source of or energy source that Saturn and the moon are making together to entrap this Earth realm right now. So that's what's happening now, is what I'm guessing, because you can't see it, but the Earth is actually encased and trapped into these little Metatron Cube molecules, past the sky and everything and into space. You can't see that, but we're actually encased in these little invisible cubes that are dispersed, in larger forms and larger molecule structures. And this is from, the light that Saturn is getting from the sun. That energy source from Saturn is also projecting to the moon, and then the moon has her energy encasing us in this this third dimensional light paradigm matrix structure that we can't even see, so before I end this recording, what it all boils down to is that Saturn, Kronos, and Hathor, they're the deities that are encasing the light, the Earth, the light's Earth spectrum, in a certain way, encasing it almost. Sorry, my parakeets in the background, they're screaming. So anyway, I think So Enki Prometheus had the serpent wisdom. He had the masculine serpent wisdom, but Hathor, she has the negative aspect, which is the visible light spectrum that we see with our physical eyes. So, yeah, I think that's it, you guys. My guy actually bought me some flowers yesterday, and I was surprised. I was like, wow, thank you. I mean, I've never really gotten flowers from a man before, so it was pretty cute. It was pretty nice. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna end it here. Have a good day, and I hope you found this video interesting and not confusing. Alright, see you later, guys. Bye.